I have just absolutely loved the Storm community.
It's a community and a school system that really cares about their kids and cares about the community and is proud to be the Storm. And I hope that we have more and more things to continue to be proud about.
So in looking at the road that we've been on, starting back in 2018, there was reaching out to the community, trying to figure out what is it that the community was looking for, and they gave us some really good direction. And we have been following that. One, we built a new elementary school with Pleasantview Elementary. We've also done some work at the middle school with the multi-purpose space. And as we kept checking items off of that list, we began to realize it's been 6 years, right, since we started this. Are those still the priorities of the district? The Board of Education said, let's go find out. So we did 2 different work groups, sent out over 11,000 surveys. And what we found is that people were telling us the same thing. There is still an interest and a desire for us to do something with early childhood and with the activities complex. Those recommendations help drive the decision for the board to say, okay, let's move forward with these 2 projects.
What I really respect and really admire about what the school district, what they've done, they truly listened, and the proof is in the pudding. If you followed the priority list that they had, they've been following that list, and I think that is an excellent job. They couldn't have done it better.
On February 11th, 2025, the Board of Education is asking the district to weigh in on 2 projects. Our first project is an early childhood center. The second is an outdoor activities complex. Those questions are independent of each other. They can do one or the other or both.
When we were starting to explore the idea of preschool, I really noticed that there wasn't a lot of accessibility for working parents. There's demand for more all-day programming, which caused me to reach out to Superintendent Bergstrom. We met almost monthly for an entire year to really understand what it would cost and what it would mean to renovate the current building, if that was attainable, and ultimately it's not.
For Hillside, if we were to redo that and bring it up to speed, it would be about $2 million less than if we built a brand new facility. And we got a building that's almost 100 years old. That doesn't seem to make a lot of sense, and we're hearing that from the community.
So we're walking into our stadium.
Still, our main athletic and activity complex that we have is at our middle school across town. So in the early 90s, when we were 150-ish kids in a class and playing in the Rum River Conference, it made sense. It did. And since then, we've added lacrosse, we've added our soccer programs, and now we're the 62nd largest school in the state of Minnesota by state high school league enrollment.
When this high school was built back in 2003, that was phase 1. The plan was bring the activities complex to the high school. That has not happened, and it's 20 years later. One of the questions that I've been asked as we're moving forward with this is the why now. The high school, the debt that we have with that is falling off and will be paid. So what it does is provide us with an opportunity to think about doing these facilities with having a minimal tax impact. If both projects pass, on the median home, it's $3 a year.
The city's partnership with the school district is as strong as it's ever been. A strong school system is going to promote a strong city, a strong community. This decision that we make is a community decision. Your vote can help shape the future of our community.